welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 11th to the 15th of May 2026 on Monday. Kazimulo resists police intrusion at Kwanjomane, while Lily resists the therapy process that ignores her voice on Tuesday. Sipho is shocked that Kazimulo thinks he can protect Kwamashu. Madongwe pushes Lily to return to therapy so Njeza can come home to someone who is trying on Wednesday. Kazimulo exits the house carrying Kunzi's gun. Sholipi takes over Skidi and Hau's territory. Prince and Mbalenhle learns the reason why Mbata is mad at Simiso on Thursday. Mbalenhle turns Kwanjomane into a century of love for mothers, only to be shaken by what the day awakens in her. Sbu steps into his calling as a preacher while battling the fear that his past will forever make him unworthy of Fikile, and Mother's Day celebration ends with a moment that threatened to undo it all on Friday. Sbu is shaken by regret after giving in to temptation. Lily's hope of fixing things with Njeza is crushed, and Simiso takes center stage, sidelining Mbata. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.